Switching AI styles in Polarr Next is a breeze. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to change the AI style in your current project. Once you've set up your style, you can switch to a different style by clicking on the drop-down menu located at the top right corner. Select Use a different AI style. But be aware that switching to a new style will erase the previous editing history of your project, and this action cannot be undone. You'll see several options for selecting a new AI style. The first option is to create a new style. This takes you back to the AI style setup page where you can build a new style with reference edits. The second option is use a style from a previous project. Select this option to see a list of all your previously created AI styles. The last option is use a Polarr pre-trained AI style, and you'll be able to choose from Polarr's pre-trained styles. No matter which option you choose, your current style will be saved in Polarr Next. And this is helpful if you're unsure about committing to a style or if you've made mistakes in your reference edits. Now, let's talk about how styles are saved. Polarr Next saves a .style file for each active project in the folder where your raw files are stored. This file tracks all your reference edits, including those from past projects that the AI has learned from. When you start a project, a .style file is created. As you add reference edits, this file updates. And if you use a style from a previous project, a copy of that .style file is created for your new project. This file will update as you continue making reference edits. For example, if you create a new project C and you want to use the AI style from project A, the style from project A will be copied to your new project. And as you make adjustments, the .style file will continue updating. This automatic process ensures that you can work with multiple versions of a style across different projects. If you create project D and reuse the AI style from project C, the .style file from project C will be copied to project D and will update as you work. Polarr Next tracks all your AI styles, but you can also back up your AI styles, import them later, or share them with other photographers. Now you're ready to experiment with different AI styles in your future Polarr Next projects.